sing that shit.
Got my Superfit installed the other day. So excited about this one. It seemed a little narrow at first, but it's not at all. I can easily run on it. It comes with a remote control. There's no screen, however, there is a little screen on the bottom that you can see your speed on. I'm gonna show you in a second. All you have to do when you get it is lift this lever and then put this thing up. You don't have to have it up if you want to have it under your work table. You can walk while you're working if you have a stand-up desk. This is how it goes on. So make sure that you're installing it where it can be plugged in. The little screen goes on. You can set your time. You can also set, so you can set a time here, or you can set your speed. So let me show you how to set your speed. You do need to put a little bit of the oil on the bottom, so you need to lift the machine, flip it over, and put the oil on. It has a better access this way. This goes up to 7.5, which is pretty fast. This is pretty much a run, not a jog to me. And you can run on it. You can put your phone on here. There's a stand there. So this is a great machine to have at home. So you guys, if you're looking for one to have in a small space, this is absolutely perfect.